Hi guys, it's your girl Dimma Arts and Crafts. Today I'm on the street today to find out the views of people on the subject Nna. Please don't forget to follow me on all my social media handle at Dimma Arts and Crafts, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go there. Hi. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, my daughter.
I'm Dimma Arts and Crafts, and you?
Okay, Dimma, I am Daneze.
Okay. So, I want to ask you a question.
Feel free to ask.
Okay.
I'm loaded with answers.
There's this thing in politics between men and women that people on this that many people see it as a partial tradition on the women, that men have that access to have sex with different women. So far it's not on the matrimonial bed, but women don't have this right to. What's your opinion on this very topic?
Well, thank you very much. I pity whoever is married and is having extramarital relationship. Is that what you call it? Yeah. That's what we call infidelity, isn't it?
Infidelity, yes.
So personally, let me just talk about myself. You are interviewing. The moment I mount any woman, so long as I remain a married man, may God just remove my life. And it's expected that my wife will live up to expectations. So even apart from Munna, the Bible condemns it. And now going straight to that now we are talking about in Nsukka. Traditionally, if you are married, if you are a woman married and you go to extramarital whatever, then now we bounce on you. He will bounce on you and you confess, you mention the names. Don't think it is just a cheat on the side of the women. And on the other hand, if you are a married man and then you go to another woman, especially a married woman, they now will not spare you. If you watch what is going on now, men are dying almost on daily basis because of this Nna in this part of our country. Nna is real. It's not something that somebody cooked or just prepared to cheat women only or to infuse some fears in them. No, there is Nna in my own village. And if you doubt it, you flout the rules, you go in for it, and it's dead unless certain rituals are performed. Don't bring in religion here, because religion will just falsify, will just cripple. Before the white man came, the Nna has been in existence, and then religion has come to turn everything upside down, and our women are going flirting here and there, killing the men. Because the moment you embark on it and you are cooking food and your husband is eating, definitely you die. You won't last. But where the man does not know and the woman is flirting, it will boomerang on the woman. So Nna is real. And as I said, if you bring it in religion, it is going to turn everything upside down. There will be a counterproductivity. And again, that Nna is helping to sanitize the family. The family this time, I mean the man and the woman. Morally, they become morally sound, apart from every other thing associated with it. Because of that fear of Nna, the man will be careful. Because of that fear of Nna, the woman will be careful. And the moment the man and the woman is living in harmony, you know, this sex of a thing brings a lot of problems. Things will be moving, they will be progressing.
Guys, let's ask this person. She's coming out. Sister, please, excuse me, please. Excuse me.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How you doing?
I'm fine.
I think the sun is. Let's go this way so that the sun will not disturb you. I'm Dimma Arts and Crafts, and you?
I'm Olivia.
Olivia who?
Olivia Ugochi.
Okay. There's this question that I want to ask you. Don't be angry. I won't take your time.
Alright.
If your husband cheats on you, will you forgive him and take him back, or you will leave the marriage because he cheats on you?
Anyways, I won't leave the marriage. I won't leave the marriage. If only he shows remorse and then realize his mistakes and ask for forgiveness. Sure, I'll take him back. Leaving the marriage is not the solution to the problem. No.
Okay, now, you know, in Nsukka tradition, if a married woman is not supposed to cheat on the husband as far as you're married.
Yeah.
Now, your husband cheats on you, you're not cheating on him.
Yeah.
You're faithful, because even the tradition demands that you should be faithful. You're not cheating on him and he cheats on you. Not one, not two, not three times. What will be your reaction now?
I will react as a woman. I must show him that what he did is not right. I must show him that what he's doing is not right. And I must first find solution to the problem. I will know the reason why he's cheating. I'll find a solution by looking into it, whether, like, to know what are those things that are making him look outside. Then I'll start doing the same. Then I will know.
So now, let me ask another thing now. Can you get married to a man knowing that the tradition says you should not have affair outside the marriage, and your husband lives abroad and have not been to Nigeria for like 10 years? Can you stay without having sex with another man, like, for that 10 years? Can you be faithful for that 10 years?
For 10 years? I can only be faithful to that man for that 10 years, knowing too well that he too is also faithful. And you know, there is no way a man can stay for 10 years without doing it. Married, whether married or not married. Yeah, nah, the 12 stuff. There is no way. So
what if it's like 5 years?
5 years? I can. 5 years. It's possible.
You can stay for 5 years?
Possible, yes.
But anything outside the 5 years?
Yes. No, I can stay for 5 years.
Okay. You can stay for 5 years, but anything more than 5 years, you will leave the marriage.
We'll reach an agreement, sir. Before you travel like that, we'll reach an agreement. Yes. But you know, the only thing that can make one stay in a relationship or marriage for that 5 years.
I said married, no okay, relationship. I'm talking of marriage.
That's if only I'm married. Like I have a children for you. But aside that, my dear, it's at risk. It's at risk.
That's risk.
Yes. Anything can happen.
Anything can happen, like yes. What?
Anything. If I can't enjoy it, I can even get married before you come back. I can remarry before you come back. It's possible now.
You get married before you come back, because you cannot stay for that year.
It's too much now. 5 years, you check it. And you know there's no way the man will stay there without doing it. That one is sure. That one is
sure. So it's going to be a difficult something.
It's going to be difficult, but though you might, because of the love, you must still sacrifice and then stay.
Not that you fully sacrifice, because it's under condition.
It's under, yes. And if communication, the communication between both of you is not strong, it's shaking, unless the man.
But if he calls you regular basis, he call you every day, talk to you, show love, send you some chips, like.
You want to be like very strong.
Then you will stay. With that now you will stay. Yes. But if there's nothing, like no chips, no small change, no care, you go run on that way.
There must something to spice it up to make it look real, that he cares, like he's there for you, he's not doing anything. Even though he's cheating and he's communicating, showing you, telling you all those things, you just believe it that he's not doing it there. And you stay for him.
Alright, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. She says if the man stays abroad 10 years, 5 years without taking care of her, giving her small change, like she no go stay, she go leave the marriage, go marry another man. Before you come back, say she don't marry. Hey!
My name is Brother Nehemiah Jeremiah.
So we're on the street today, so to find out some certain things, and I would like to ask you 1 or 2 questions.
Go ahead.
Okay. There's this sense of inequality between men and women that on the topic of Nna in Nsukka, there are so many people see it as a partial tradition on women, that men has this right to have sex with different women so far it's not on the matrimonial bed, and the woman doesn't have that right. What's your opinion on this very topic?
Actually, at the beginning, if you can go through from biblical point of view, God made it male and female. Stick to your wife stick to the husband. That's the only thing I know God did. A man going astray, I will use that word astray, going contrary to the will of God, the will of creation, is not good. And a woman equally going contrary to the will of God, leaving a husband to go and have affairs with another man because of things are difficult, because of your husband is not the sex machine type, is not good. So this thing, all these things are very bad. Cultural, when you see it cultural, in Igbo language they ask no wine in a jinso. A woman who's the sacred, or a woman supposed to be holy, a woman who's the face of the family, a woman is supposed not to go astray from the husband. Once a woman goes astray with another man to make love with another man, it brings a curse to the family. It made the family to deteriorate. At times things become so difficult, things go astray. At the same time, if a man begin to have an affair outside the marital status, you see that man, the business, before you know, the business will collapse. So we need to keep ourselves, we need to stick to our partners. The same way a man should be treated, abstain from other women, stick to your family. The same way a woman should be treated, stick to her family.
You can speak English, right?
Yes.
Okay. In this trip this time, because of Bika,
Okay.
there's this tradition in Nsukka that forbid, like Nenugezike or other places in Nsukka, that forbid married women from having from having sex, having affair outside their marriages. What do you have to, like, the sense of equal treatment that you want, that we feel that we women desire? Because some people say it's partial tradition on the women.
In Nsukka area as a whole, it is a tradition for the whole of Nsukka, unless the person who wanted to spoil him or herself. We keep that rule of not having sex with, if you are married, not having sex with another man except your husband. So it is a tradition to this Nsukka, not only but in West alone.
Nsukka general.
Nsukka general.
So are you not saying that the tradition is good or bad?
It is good now, because in the Bible, you have to respect your God. You have to respect your husband. Do not look, like say they are saying in the Bible, do not look another man's wife. And it is no good for a woman who is married to go and have another man as a boyfriend or any other thing. Because some women usually do it because of money, or they wanted to do it, but it is not good for me.
Okay. What if now your daughter got married to somebody from this same community, and the tradition says don't give money to your mom or your father without the consent of the husband, and maybe the mother is very sick now that needs attention and the husband is not around? In this case,
they usually does it, especially in the side that I'm married.
Where are you married to?
I'm married at Edem.
Yes. Okay.
So it is a custom to them that before you give out a big money, not that you don't give money at all, it's enough for your relation, but before you give a huge money or do a heavy thing to your parents, you have to allow your husband to do, unless you are not cooperating with your husband.
So in this tradition, you support your own child or somebody getting married, that tradition is good, right?
It's good now because they are one. Husband and wife are one. Unless the man is not doing good to the person.
Now, okay, there's this another one that says if a woman is beating and somebody calls her, that she's not supposed to answer until she's out from the...
I don't support such that
You
one.
don't support that one?
Yes.
We are getting it right here. Like, let's go. Some people say it's very good. 100% good. 90% say it's good. So, the tradition is good. Let's go there.